After doing this, and that with my hair, I started having hair fall. And I wanted to take care of my natural hair. So I started using Sesa Concentrated Hair Growth Serum on a regular basis from last 1 month. Today I'll be telling you guys why you'll use this leave-in serum and the results. So let's start the video. Introducing Sesa Concentrated Hair Growth Serum. This serum is clinically proven to grow more than 28,000 new hair in just 3 months. It has Redancel, Scalp, along with natural ingredients like bringraj, neem, and rosemary, which reduces hair fall and promotes hair growth. I like the fact that the serum has a very light and non-greasy texture and it's super easy to apply. All you have to do is part your hair in small sections and then drop the serum. And then তোমার fingertips দিয়ে scalp এ massage করে নিতে হবে. You can use it before sleeping or after taking shower in the day. তোমাদেরকে একটু দেখাই আমার অ্যাকচুয়াল বেবি হেয়ার কত বেশি উঠেছে সেটা. See the hairlines. এই যে আমার হেয়ার ফলও কমেছে. And the serum is only available in Taraz, Sajgoj and Aroka.